Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad 510. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue we're addressing today is quite common. The bottom case of your Lenovo Ideapad 510 won't stay secure. This can happen due to worn-out clips or screws that have come loose. If left unattended, not only can this lead to further damage to the internal components, but it may also cause overheating issues, affecting the overall performance of your laptop. To carry out this repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a small container to keep your screws safe. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your laptop is powered down and unplugged. Place it on a flat surface, and using the plastic opening tool, gently pry open the edges of the bottom case. Be careful not to use excessive force to avoid damaging the clips. Once you have successfully opened the case, take a look at the screws securing it. Check if any screws are missing or if they have become stripped. To extract any faulty screws, use your Phillips screwdriver, applying a gentle but firm pressure. If you find a loose clip, you might need to replace it. Carefully locate the faulty component and gently pull it out, ensuring you don't damage any nearby connections. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the clip or screw, align the bottom case back onto the laptop. Press down firmly to ensure it clicks into place. Once secured, check that everything fits snugly. Finally, power on your laptop to verify that the case is now secure and functioning correctly. To avoid this issue in the future, make sure to regularly check the screws and clips of your laptop. A little preventative maintenance can go a long way in keeping your device secure and functioning optimally. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.